Have you ever wondered how to make money online? Well, if you have, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down the process of making money online into clear, easy-to-follow steps. We're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes, but legitimate methods that require an internet connection and a dash of dedication. We live in a digital era where the internet isn't just for entertainment or information, it's a goldmine of opportunities. Whether you're looking to make some quick cash or establish a long-term income, these methods can help you achieve your financial goals. From freelancing to online tutoring, affiliate marketing to selling products online, and even participating in online surveys or reviews, there's something for everyone. Each method has its own set of benefits and can be tailored to your skills and interests. So, are you ready to dive into the world of online opportunities? Stay tuned. First off, let's talk about freelancing. Freelancing is a form of self-employment where you offer your skills and services to clients, typically on a project-by-project basis. It's like running your own small business, but without the overhead costs. You can work from home, a coffee shop, or anywhere you have access to the internet. Freelancing work spans a wide array of industries. You could be a graphic designer creating logos, a writer crafting articles, a programmer developing websites, or a translator bridging language gaps. The list is endless. The beauty of freelancing is that it leverages your unique skills and passions. It's about turning what you love and what you're good at into a way to earn money online. Now, how does one get started with freelancing? The internet is a vast marketplace teeming with opportunities. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have made it easier than ever to connect freelancers with clients. These platforms are like virtual job boards where clients post jobs and freelancers submit proposals to win the work. Creating a strong profile on these platforms is key. It's like your online resume. You'll want to highlight your skills, your experience, and your portfolio of past work. And once you land a job, delivering quality work is paramount. This not only ensures you get paid, but it also helps you build a good reputation. A satisfied client is more likely to hire you again or recommend you to others. But here's the thing, freelancing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, persistence, and hard work. It involves marketing your skills, managing your time, meeting deadlines, and continuously improving your craft. But with the freedom to choose your projects and set your schedule, the rewards can be well worth the effort. And let's not forget, freelancing can be a stepping stone to other online money-making opportunities. The skills you hone as a freelancer can open doors to other ventures like starting your own blog, creating an online course, or even launching your own digital products. Remember, to succeed in freelancing, you need to showcase your skills and deliver quality work. Scene script. Next up is making money through online surveys and reviews. In this digital age, your opinion matters more than you might think. Companies worldwide are eager to understand their consumers better, and they're willing to pay for it. That's right, they pay for your thoughts, your views, your reviews. Imagine earning money just by clicking a few buttons and answering a few questions. Sounds pretty good, right? Now let's delve a bit deeper. Companies seek consumer opinions to refine their products and services, and they often use online surveys and reviews to gather this information. That's where you come in. By participating in these surveys or writing reviews, you can make your voice heard and get paid for it. You might be wondering, how much can I earn? The answer varies. While you might not become a millionaire overnight, this method can provide a steady stream of extra income. Some surveys pay a few dollars, while others might offer gift cards or discounts on products. Every little bit adds up, and before you know it, you've got a nice little nest egg built up. So how do you get started? There are numerous websites out there that connect companies with willing survey takers. Some popular platforms include Swagbucks, Toluna, and Vindale Research. After signing up, you'll typically receive surveys via email, or you can check the website for available opportunities, but remember, not all survey sites are created equal. Before you sign up, do a bit of research to ensure the site is legitimate. Look for reviews from other users and check if the company has a positive reputation. Also, keep in mind that while this is a relatively easy way to earn money, it does require time and patience. Surveys can take anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes to complete, and the payout often corresponds to the time invested, so there you have it. Participating in online surveys and writing reviews is a straightforward way to boost your income. It's a simple way to make money online, just by sharing your opinion. Now, let's venture into the world of affiliate marketing. Imagine being able to earn a commission by simply promoting someone else's product or service. That's essentially what affiliate marketing is all about. It's a performance-based business model where you, as an affiliate, get rewarded for each visitor or customer brought by your own marketing efforts. But how does it work? Well, it's pretty straightforward. First, you choose a product or service that you want to promote. It could be anything from a new novel to a trendy gadget, or even a subscription service. The key is to choose something that you genuinely like and believe in, as this will make your promotional efforts more authentic and effective. Once you've found the perfect product or service, the next step is to sign up for the affiliate program of the company that offers it. These programs are usually free to join and will provide you with a unique affiliate link. This link is what you'll use to promote the product or service. Now, every time someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. The amount you earn can vary widely depending on the product and the company. Some companies offer a flat rate while others offer a percentage of the sale. Either way, the more people you can get to click on your link and make a purchase, the more money you'll make. Getting started with affiliate marketing is quite simple. All you really need is a platform to promote your chosen product or service. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, or even your social media accounts. From there, it's all about creating engaging content that will attract your target audience and encourage them to click on your affiliate link. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and most importantly, a genuine passion for the product or service you're promoting. However, with the right approach and a bit of hard work, you can turn affiliate marketing into a lucrative source of income. With affiliate marketing, the sky is the limit. Your earning potential is largely determined by your effort. Did you know that your knowledge can earn you money online? Let's talk about online tutoring. The digital age has brought us countless ways to monetize our skills, and one such way is through online tutoring. This is a brilliant option for those who are passionate about a particular subject and have a knack for explaining complex topics in an understandable way. Imagine yourself sharing your knowledge with eager learners all around the world, right from the comfort of your own home. Sounds exciting, right? What's even better is that you can make a decent income while doing it. So how do you get started? There are numerous platforms where you can begin your journey as an online tutor. Chegg Tutors, for example, is a well-known platform that connects tutors with students. They offer a wide range of subjects to teach, from mathematics to music, and everything in between. The pay is decent too, and you have the flexibility to set your own schedule. Another platform worth considering is Tutor.com. This site has been around for quite a while and has built a solid reputation in the online tutoring community. They offer tutoring services for a variety of subjects and grade levels, and also provide resources to help you become a better tutor. Now, it's important to remember that successful online tutoring is not just about being knowledgeable in your subject. It's also about patience and understanding. You will be dealing with students of different ages and learning capabilities, some of whom might find the subject you're teaching quite challenging. Your patience and ability to adapt your teaching style to suit each student's needs will be crucial. So, if you have a passion for teaching and a subject you're an expert in, why not give online tutoring a shot? It's a rewarding way to make money online and can even help you grow as a person. Plus, the joy of helping someone understand a topic they've been struggling with is a reward in itself. Remember, the key to successful online tutoring is your expertise and patience. Our last method for today is selling products online. Picture this: you're sipping your morning coffee, scrolling through your online store, and you see a notification, another product sold. That's the beauty of selling products online. It can turn your passion into profit, all from the comfort of your home. Let's start with handmade items. For those of you who love crafting, this could be your chance to share your creativity with the world. Websites like Etsy are a haven for handmade goods, from jewelry and clothing to home decor and art. Your unique creations could be just what someone is searching for. With good marketing, a bit of SEO knowledge, and quality products, your hobby could become a profitable online business. Next up, vintage items. If you have an eye for value and a knack for finding hidden gems, selling vintage items could be a goldmine. Websites like eBay are perfect for this. You could sell anything from vintage clothing and accessories to collectibles and antiques. The key is understanding what your items are worth and setting a fair yet profitable price. Lastly, consider selling unwanted items around your house. One man's trash is another man's treasure, as the saying goes. You'd be surprised at how many people might be interested in that old lamp you never use or those books you've already read. It's a great way to declutter and make some extra cash. Now, it's important to remember that success won't come overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of patience. But with the right strategy and a bit of perseverance, you could turn your online store into a steady source of income. Selling online can be a rewarding and profitable experience, especially if you're selling something you're passionate about. So why not give it a try? Start exploring these online marketplaces and who knows, you might just find your new favorite way to make money online. So, there you have it, 5 ways to make money online. We started with freelancing, a flexible and diverse opportunity that allows you to leverage your skills and talents. Then we moved on to online surveys and reviews, a simple yet effective way to earn some extra cash by sharing your thoughts and opinions. Next, we delved into the world of affiliate marketing, where you can generate income by promoting products or services you believe in. We also looked at online tutoring, a fantastic option for those who love teaching and want to share their knowledge with others. Lastly, we explored selling products online, a venture that can turn your creative hobby or product sourcing skills into a profitable business. Remember, the online world is full of opportunities. It's up to you to take the first step. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content like this. Until next time, happy earning.